You're playing for your job right now.
Oh!
Yeah, oh!
Alright, you gotta try a little bit harder.
I know, I'm trying as hard as I can, believe me.
What's up, Chinatown Market family? Chinatown Market is asking me, Waleed Muhammad, to start vlogging here in the office. I'm hip with the kids. We've got a crazy day today. 24KGoldn is coming in the office. He's shooting design freestyle. He can make some crazy pieces. 2K Baby's also coming in the office. I'm heading over to some shoot for Lil Yachty. He's doing this live thing. We're dropping a crazy t-shirt. Oh, and guess what? Today, Karin, who's our intern here at Chinatown Market, is gonna play 24KGoldn and a little bit of Smash. And guess what? If 24KGoldn wins, 24% off almost everything to the site. Not everything, but almost everything. Because there's a few items we can't put on sale. Alright, give you an update later. Alright guys, I'm vlogging now, and I need you guys to pretend like you love your job. 3, 2, 1. You love your job, you're having a great time. You're smiling. High fives, high fives. Yeah, you guys are so happy. Yeah, hug, hug, hug. Yeah, you love your jobs. Yeah, you're clapping, yeah. You guys love your job, right?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Looking good, bud. You're looking good. The fit goes crazy.
Hey, I came somewhat.
You came prepared. Shit, I'm a little underdressed.
One.
Ooh.
That was cool.
I like it, sir. Hey, that's the hashtag. We gotta use it.
Yeah.
I think I should have
that's
been
great.
smiling when I was like my hoodie on.
Where do you think you know me from?
Bro, I'm fucking. You know, you gotta know somebody in this. I know somebody seen this nigga, bro. Come on, bro. You seen this nigga, right? Playing like I'm tripping, bro.
No,
He was popping on Vine for a long time.
Was it Vine?
And then All Def too.
That's it.
All Def Digital.
Oh, on the YouTube.
yeah. Micah, who's the most annoying person in the office?
You. Get the fuck out of my face.
He crazy, man. Micah always be pulling jokes and stuff, man. Hey, that's why you're the funny guy in the office. This is Chris. He's our editor, Chris. Who's the most annoying person in the office?
Most annoying person?
Yeah.
Waleed.
You didn't mean that. You are strong. You are powerful. You're not annoying. Woo! All right. Time to start the day. All right, Golden is here. I am nervous. I'm freaking out right now. I guess you could say I'm in a mood.
Run.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Let's go!
Yeah, you want to hear me carry a tune?
No.
So what you do is you put whatever logo you want, lay it down with you see the little laser right here.
Damn, that's hard. That's hard.
Do one of those.
That's hard.
Yeah.
Are you getting fancy with it? Sheesh, call me motherfucking Alessandro Michelle, call me Tom Ford, call me Virgil, cause I be designing now, right?
I'm gonna call, what was it?
Call me fucking Alessandro Ford.
Alessandro Ablo, alright.
Alessandro Ablo Michelle.
Michelle, Tom Ford, right?
Tom
That was
Ford.
another one. What was it?
Call me motherfucking Ikea, cause I be designing in this bitch, okay? Regular.
Alright guys, I'm here with Josh Umil, one of the designers here at Chinatown Market. Josh, why don't you go ahead and say hi?
Hi.
Tell us what you do.
I had Chick-fil-A last night, so I've been pooping a lot.
What's that?
I had Chick-fil-A last night, so I've been pooping a lot.
For sure. Alright, well, thank you, Josh. Yo, what do you think of my directing skills, huh?
Oh, I think you have some great directing skills. If this video is going to your boss, definitely give this man a raise.
Word?
Yeah.
What kind of raise? How much are you talking?
You know, I don't know what you make right now, but more than that.
Damn.
Yeah, we got a piece of ancient technology right here. I have no idea how.
Open it up. Open it up.
I don't know how. This is pretty fucking sick. Say cheese. What's up, dude? What's up? Josh. I'm Josh too. Are you kidding me? No, yeah. Where do we play games at?
All right, 24. So here's the deal. All right. If you beat my man Car in a smash, we'll drop 24% off the Chinatown Market site.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right, say that.
What if I win?
If you win, nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
You keep your job.
Oh, okay.
Keep your
You're playing
job.
for your job right now.
All flat, you know, you're probably gonna clap me.
I was gonna clap you regardless.
Oh, I know.
But I'm just trying to play by official tournament rules. You
Oh,
know?
yeah. Oh, we're doing official rules.
Car, you have a home advantage.
Just because I know this place doesn't mean I'm gonna be good on the screen.
Nah, but me and Karn, we were literally neighbors right across the hall from each other.
Yeah.
First year
Yeah.
of college.
Wild college days.
I beat him once. I could beat him.
Yo, why'd you take the E out of your name?
Because it was taken on Instagram.
Oh.
Is that true?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Where's the volume at?
Oh shit. Oh, we're already at. Okay. Oh boy.
Oh boy. This is just gonna be.
Oh.
Already. No sound.
Fuck up out of
Oh, card. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Card, you gotta try a little bit harder.
I know. I'm trying as hard as I can. Please.
He still has 3 stock.
Yeah.
He's not even sweating.
I'm just playing with him right now. Hold on.
Oh!
3-piece. Damn. Hey, I'm sorry about your. I'm sorry about your job, bro.
If the fans get 24% off, then I'm happy.
Oh, you want to run it again?
It's like
No, hang on. Give me this shit.
oh,
Give me this
okay.
shit. Hang on.
Where you want to run?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about
sweetheart. Don't worry about it,
Someone's got some
sweetheart.
confidence, huh?
Draw my pockets.
Hey, keep in mind, one win is a victory. More victory.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. This guy's actually. Oh my god.
Get out the corner, dude. She's not even letting you get on the
Hey, I'm still green. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, okay. Yo, what's happening, Wally?
Shut up, Carl.
Ollie, how you doing?
I wouldn't say good, but I wouldn't say bad. Never mind. Yo, someone just needs to get 1 on it. There you go. There you go.
there you go.
There you go.
He's better than Karn.
Okay.
Oof. Oof.
But that's not saying much.
No, please, no, please.
Come on, Wally. Hey, stay golden.
Oh God, please, God, no, God.
All right, 2 new employees. We got 2 new positions over here at Chinatown Market. If y'all want an internship, y'all want a job, come holla at us, okay? So we're about to clear out the whole office after this.
So you're leaving, right? You're out of here?
Why you down me 5 times?
I'm just gonna put my 2 weeks in.
You know, it's just another day of being the champion. #1 in the world in the music charts, #1 in the world in the semi-pro Super Smash Bros. Ultimate charts. So
What do you want? What do you want the code to be?
the code is 24.
Battery's about to die, but wow, what a crazy day yesterday. 24KGoldn came in, 2K Baby came in. I went over, I hung out with Lil Yachty. Let's just do a fun little montage of everything that happened yesterday. Oh wow, wasn't that fun? Anyways, guys, might have another great day today. Who knows? If I don't film anything today, Vlog Nation signing out.